Hello students, myself Vijendra Kumar taking class of 5, 6 and 7 subject English grammar. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of your English grammar, that is sentence. First of all, know about what is sentence. A group of words arranged in order that makes complete sense is called sentence. इसका अर्थ है शब्दों का वह समूह या ऐसा समूह जो एक नियमित क्रम में हो और उससे पूरा पूरा अर्थ निकलता है, उसे हम वाक्य कहते हैं. टू बी ए सेंटेंस देयर मस्ट बी सम रूल्स. It must be started with capital letter and ends with punctuation mark. Different sentences ends with different punctuation marks, such as interrogative sentence ends with note of interrogation. Assertive sentence and imperative sentence also ends with full stop, that will be punctuation marks. For example, if I say he rice eats, it is not a sentence because words are not in order, and also its first letter is not in capital letter, and there is also not a punctuation mark. So to be a sentence, it must follow the definition of sentence. So it will be a sentence when it will be written in this form: he eats rice. It follow all the rules, so it is called sentence. Now, kinds of sentence. There are 5 kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentence. It is also called declarative sentence. A statement that sorry a sentence that makes a statement or an assertion is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is classified into two types, or you can say there are two parts of assertive sentence. One is called affirmative sentence, and other is called negative sentence. When the sentence declare affirmation, you can say when the statement denotes the affirmation, that is called affirmative sentence, such as he eats rice. And negative sentence which deny या the statement which shows the negative या that reply in negative, that is called negative sentence, such as I do not take tea. This way, the assertive sentence is classified into two parts, affirmative and negative. Now come to interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. The sentence in which a question is asked, that is called interrogative sentence. If the statement shows the questions, and you will find a note of interrogation after the sentence, that is called interrogative sentence. For example, if I say, do you write a letter? It is an interrogative sentence because the sentence shows asking a question, and it also ends with punctuation marks, note of interrogation. Such sentences will be called interrogative sentence. Now come to third, imperative sentence. A sentence that expresses a request, sorrow, request, advice, an order, etc. That will be called imperative sentence. अर्थात वैसे सेंटेंस जिससे अनुरोध, आदेश या आज्ञा आदि का बोध हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड imperative sentence. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, bring a chair to me. और प्लीज टेल मी द वे टू द airport. In both these sentences, you will find an order or request. In some sentences, you will find advice and also in an instruction. That will be called imperative sentence. Now, fourth. Exclamatory sentence. A sentence that shows or expresses a strong or sudden feeling of the heart. That is called exclamatory sentence. When the sentence shows or expresses a strong feeling or sudden feeling of the heart, that will be called exclamatory sentence, such as hooray, we won the match. You will find in exclamatory sentence there will be note of interrogation either after the words of exclamation or either at the end of the sentence. That type of sentence will be called exclamatory sentence. In exclamatory sentence, there will be expressed either sorrow, joy, surprise, wonder, etc. That type of sentence will be called exclamatory sentence. Alas, he is no more. You will find a note of exclamation after the words of exclamatory, and you will find also full stop after the sentence. Either you will find a note of exclamation at the end of the sentence, such as what a beautiful sight it is. Note of exclamation. These types of sentence will be called exclamatory sentence. At last, the optative sentence. At last, optative sentence. A sentence that expresses a wish or prayer, that is called optative sentence. Optative sentence also ends with note of exclamation, such as may you live long. In optative sentence, you will find the note of interrogation, note of exclamation at the end of the sentence. So, these are types of sentences. Now, learn about phrase. To solve the questions of sentence chapter, you must know about phrase. What is phrase? A phrase is a group of words that makes sense but not complete sense. That is called phrase, such as in the morning, at the end of the day, etc. अर्थात वैसे शब्दों का समूह जो सेंस तो जरूर बतलाता है, लेकिन इसमें कंप्लीट सेंस, पूर्ण सेंस नहीं निकलता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रेज. एंड एट लास्ट ए क्लाउड. क्लाउड A clause is a group of words that forms a part of sentence. It contains a subject and a predicate, such as he looked tired when I arrived. It is a clause. In it, I is subject and arrived is predicate. So, phrase and clause will help you to solve the examples of sentence, particularly for class 6. You have to choose clause and phrase. That's all.